Good morning, YouTube friends. It's been a long time that I wasn't able to upload in our YouTube channel, and today I'll try to have one. And our video is about harvesting this sweet potato right here. We have these two large pots. We have another two there mixed with pumpkin plant. I don't know if we can get some, but here we'll try to see if how many sweet potato tubers we can get from these two large pots. So as you can see, we're so early today because we're trying to beat the time for our neighbors to turn on the fucking music. It's annoying. Ah. Yeah. Our mama is here and I have to harvest this sweet potato. That's one of the main reason, and we'll see what we can get from here. Oh man, kind of scary. I thought I'll get a lot. It's very surprising. Anyway, at least we have sweet potatoes. Let's see, I told mama this one is a different sweet potato. It will not take a lot of months to wait them to harvest right on the ground. Yeah, see that one? It's been like 2 months and many of the tubers are rotten already right here. I'm pretty sure there will be, see, another rotten one here. So disappointing, but anyway, it's part of the experience when you do gardening. We'll see here on the second large pot. Okay, let's see what we can get from here. So here, your friends, we're going to see if we can find any tubers because I have to let the pumpkin to climb in that improvised how to say that one, trellis made of bamboo. So we'll have to get out or remove all the sweet potato that we have here. Maybe I don't have to see the place that I am not expecting to have. We have here, but it's rotten. But anyway, see, it's rotten. So here what we have got from 4 large pots. Anyway, kind of disappointing, but still we have some good sweet potato tubers that mama can bring, or maybe we can cook together, yeah, before she leaves to Bangkok. And we have another location right there, and it's a different variety of sweet potato. So let's go and we'll check what we can get from several plants that we have planted there. So YouTube friends, we've got 4 tubers here. 3 are in good sizes, but the other one is the cutest of the 4. And so let's go back in front of the house and we'll put it together with our white sweet potato there. So here what we've got, sweet white sweet potato, and we have this garnet sweet potato. I don't know the variety of this yet. And thank you once again for following us and for watching our YouTube channel and for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next upload. Bye.